Orange for Christmas? Did you get that orange? Yeah? And you're wrapping it up? Is that what you're doing? Yeah, you're wrapping it up. Very good.
Go.
Yeah. Now what else did you get for Christmas here? You got your puzzle? Where's your puzzle? Let's try to put your puzzle together. Huh? Oh, you're still wrapping that orange, aren't you? That's good. Nobody will know what that is, will they? Now what? Oh, yep. Try another tissue. Huh? A cone, a pine cone. Yeah.
Red cone.
Where does that go? Where does the pine cone belong?
Classroom.
Can you put your puzzle together? Pine cone and orange. That's a good combination.
Go up.
Huh? Oh, that's right. If you can't put the puzzle together, then at least you can put it in a box. Yeah. Yes. That's a puzzle for a 2-year-old, putting it into a box. Now you can look at the picture, huh? Where's your stethoscope? Where's your stethoscope? Oh, Jocelyn.
Sherry.
Huh? Is that it? Where's your shovel?
Sherry.
Yeah. Put all your Christmas presents in one box. That's the idea. What's that? Is that your stethoscope?
Cool.
Can you use that? Do you know how to use your stethoscope?
Cool.
Go to the doctors. Go to the doctors. What do you want, Maggie? Huh? Go to the doctors. Huh? That looks like the needle, huh?
Joshua.
Oh, that's the needle. And the other one's the thermometer. Where's your stethoscope? Box too, huh? Maggie looking around for Christmas goodies.
Baby. Joshua.
Gashu. You like the pictures?
Picture.
Yeah. You know how to check for a heartbeat? Huh? Oh, put it in another box? Yeah, that's a good idea. Try to put the orange in the box, huh? What are you making? A present? Yeah? Well, everything goes in that box, doesn't it? Huh? You got it all in, now you got it all in the box. Now what are you going to do with it? Huh? That's a nice package there, an orange. Show that to Grandma. Oh, now we take it off, huh? That's Mrs. Gribbett. Mrs. Gribbett. You know how to, that's a hand puppet. Do you know how to use it? Very good. Hi, 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 hi. Wow, we got a real good close-up here. Now where are you going? Huh?
Sherry.
Jocelyn, you're out of view now. Huh? Jocelyn, you're out of view. You got a good shot at the back of your head.
Sherry.
The doctor is checking for a heartbeat, right? Can you check for a heartbeat? Check the teddy bear for a heartbeat. Oh, yeah, that's good. Does Teddy have a heartbeat?
This?
Just be careful, stay on the sofa. Huh? That's doctor's first task is to stay on the sofa. Now check for a heartbeat. Oh yes. Teddy bear has a runny nose, right? Huh? That's a good diagnosis. You realize that teddy bear has a runny nose. That's good. What else might teddy bear need? Huh? Huh?
This?
Huh, Dr. Jocelyn? What does teddy bear need, huh?
Green.
Well, attend to your patient there, Jocelyn. Huh? Now, come on. Dr. Jocelyn, attend to your patient, please. Oh, maybe...
Okay,
Huh?
Dad.
What? Okay. Maybe you're, mixing up a prescription? Oh, yeah. Yeah, probably applying some nose drops or something. That's good. Mm-hmm. Now, how about, have you checked out Teddy's ears? Wow, now what does Dr. Jocelyn do with that? Oh, yes. A prosthetic eyeball. Yeah, that's good. And what else does Dr. Jocelyn have?
This?
Oh, yeah, what is that? That's part of your puzzle. Mm-hmm. That's good. Combine all your toys into one. That's right. Your puzzle and your doctor set and your cup set. That's good. Combine it all into one big toy. One multi-complex toy. Oh, ears out. Check Teddy's ears out. See if the ears are clean. Huh? Okay, you got your stethoscope. That's right. And now check Teddy's ears. Okay. Well, oh, you're checking your own eye. Checking your own ear. That's right. Doctor should give himself a checkup too. Yeah. That's good.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Oh. He needs some help from the assistant here, huh? Okay. Oh, maybe Teddy needs a shot.
Yeah.
Some sort of shot. Oh yeah, a shot right up Teddy's nose. That's a good place to give a shot. Yeah. Yeah. Just right up his nose. Yeah. Hmm?
Tissue.
Oh yeah, I'm sure he needs a tissue after getting a shot up his nose. Yeah. You're a gentle doctor, aren't you? You're very gentle with your patients. Now, what else does Teddy need? Jocelyn, maybe you should check your patient's temperature. Dr. Jocelyn?
Stop.
Yeah, check your patient's temperature.
Oh.
Teddy might have a fever. Oh yeah, a fever. Okay. That's right. You check it right on the chest, yeah? Uh-huh. Get a good temperature reading at the chest. Well, Dr. Johnson's dropping everything, isn't she? Well, put everything away. That's good. Put everything in a box. Now, what is Dr. Johnson checking out here now? Huh? Putting an eye on Teddy. That's good. Oh yeah, Teddy has two new eyes. You're an eye surgeon, aren't you, huh? You're an optics prosthesis or something, right? Very good.
Mouth?
Yeah, Teddy needs a new mouth. Eyes, maybe check them out and see how they work. Huh? Check them out and see how they work. Teddy, can you read that? Can you read the top letter for me? You don't know what the top letter is. Doctor, maybe you should recheck your work. Teddy can't, this is silent. Okay. Oh yeah, okay. You just trying to decide where to apply the stethoscope. Got another patient here to work on.
Okay. Ow!
Mrs. Conrad.
Ouch!
Now, what do you think is Mrs. Conrad's problem? Huh?
Check me out.
What's Mrs. Conrad's problem? Have you checked her out with the stethoscope?
Check me out. I hurt. I got a boo-boo right here. She's giving me a shot and started crying.
That's right. Doctor makes the patient cry.
Ouch.
Tissue.
Okay.
Tissue?
You wipe my eye. I feel better now? Give me a black eye.
Okay.
Okay. I like this little guy here. Okay.
Shot.
He needs a shot. He's just so funny. Oh, he's got him a shot. Okay, open your mouth. Look in his mouth. Look at this one so Daddy can see you. Look, open his mouth.
Very good.
Shot.
What?
Shot.
Okay,
Shot.
Where's his face? Bite you.
Well, is that what Dr. Johnson does? Leave the tissue right in the mouth? Right in the patient's mouth?
Tissue.
That's so the patient doesn't talk, right?
Stifle. You don't want a shot.
Java.
Give him a shot.
Shot.
Right? Give him a shot right in the mouth, yeah.
Some doctor you are.
Now, does the frog have a temperature?
Touch his head.
Does the
See if
frog
he has-
have a temperature?